Hi everyone. I want to thank you for coming over to my YouTube channel. I'm Laudiaann Sylvest. I'm Coach Laudiaann Sylvest, working my business online, and I am delivering opportunities for any affiliate marketer, anybody that's a business owner out there, or if you are someone that's starting a business and want to learn more about how to make money online, you are at the right place at the right time. You can learn here. I have found a legit affiliate program where you can generate high commission payouts with Lead Lightning and a Power Lead system. These two systems are connected as one, and you are going to get lots of results here. I am actually giving you a free lead system. So sign up today at DeezesMarketing.com. Go ahead and sign up and get and grab your free lead system now today. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel